Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking around this approved used 2024 model Volkswagen Polo MK6 Facelift that does come complemented in the modernised metallic smoky grey paintwork. It does house your 1 litre TSI engine and efficient auto transmission, making it an ideal nippy city upgrade. Packed with plenty of top features, including your LED headlights for enhanced visibility, power folding wing mirrors for added protection, and your stylish 15-inch alloy wheels. The boot offers plenty of space for your daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort all round, with access to your central power outlets. Stepping into the front, you do have your multifunctional steering wheel with access to your central touch display screen. And again, you do have the comfort of a full cloth trim, followed by seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data, and the added bonus of your adaptive cruise control. Moving across, you do have your variation of radio stations and app connect to stay endlessly entertained and connected on the go, alongside your on-screen vehicle information to easily keep an eye on the overall condition, followed by your main climate controls, power outlets and cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.